Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to connect Calendly to Google Calendar. So let's start. It's very easy. Let's go to Calendly, and when we are here, let's go to the left side. We have a menu here. Just press the button that says integration and apps that appears here. Just press this one, and here you will see many apps that you can install instantly, completely free. So in this case, let's looking for Google Calendar is this one. If there not appears, just have to check in the most popular or calendars. Here appears the Google Calendar app. Okay, so let's click here, and then when we are here, just press the button connect. Here appears this option. Just connect with your Google account, select an account. In this case I will select this one, and then just continue and just continue. Let's wait, and then Calendly is connected to Google Calendar, as you can see. Well guys, I hope it works for you. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.